Hey everybody, I'm back with another DaVinci Resolve tutorial, and in this video it's a really quick tutorial. I just want to talk about the audio in DaVinci Resolve. So these are two tips when you're editing your audio in DaVinci Resolve. So the first tip is to make sure that you actually edit the audio first for your main clip. So like if you have a vlog or if you just record like a party or something like that, you want to change the entire audio first before you make cuts. And the reason why I say this is because once you actually make cuts to the clip, now you have multiple clips, and then if you want to change the audio, you have to actually change the audio for each individual clip, and it will take a very long time. So before you make any cuts, actually change the volume of the audio first. So if you want the audio to be higher or to be lower, then change that first before making any cuts. Second is the actual audio meter. So green is good, yellow is where it starts to get a little too high, and red is where you don't want it at. You don't want your audio levels reaching red because now it's like starting to get distorted and it's very annoying for the listeners. So you want to keep it around the green and the yellow for one track. Now if you, let's say for example, you want to add music, then maybe your main track can probably be in the yellow a little bit, then your music track can be in the green. That way you kind of have it spaced out so that your music is not too loud over the voice, or your voice is not too loud over the music, and then the listeners can't hear the music. So two quick tips on editing your audio in DaVinci Resolve. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If so, subscribe to the channel for more videos, and I'll see you all in a new video.